host over here, and we are going to start a new unit on solutions. Solutions. Two things you need to know right off the bat about solutions are what a solution is. One, so what are solutions? And the next thing you need to understand are, and I'm just going to write this one out, is that most chemical reactions happen in solution. So most chemical reactions happen in solution. You need to write that down. So what are solutions? What are they? So a solution is, and let me write this down, a solution is two or more substances joined together in a homogeneous mixture. So solutions are two or more substances joined together in a homogeneous mixture. And most chemical reactions happen in solutions. So let's take a look at a few everyday solutions. So let's look at some pictures here. Albums. I've got an album set up for solutions. So the first one I want to look at, number one, is just simply our body. Most of the chemical reactions that we have going on to keep us alive are in solution. And the solution is in our blood. And blood is carrying oxygen gas. It's carrying various enzymes that help us to digest food. It's carrying all of this stuff to our heart and to our lungs. It's carrying all this to our lungs, right? And so this blood solution, which is two or more items in a homogeneous mixture. We'll talk about homogeneous later, but it's two or more of those items in a homogeneous mixture. And this solution is keeping us alive. Let's look at a few more solutions. So another solution is this one right here. Let's just add it in. So another solution is going to be Gatorade. And Gatorade is made up of a few things as well. Two or more substances make Gatorade up. So let's go ahead and look at it. It's made up of sugars and water, right? And food coloring. These are all substances, and they're two or more substances, right? And they're joined inside of a homogeneous mixture. Okay? So what are some more solutions that we see every day? Choose one of these. Let's say we have sweet tea. This is one of my favorites. Sweet tea, right? I don't drink a lot of it anymore, but we have sweet tea. And so sweet tea is made up of sugars. I'm going to write on top of that tea. Water, and then tea leaves, right? Tea leaves. And this is two or more substances joined in a homogeneous mixture. This is a solution. Not a answer to a problem, but a solution. Let's look at a few more. One that we're probably very familiar with is going to be, say, Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is a solution. It's a solution. It's got sugar. Let's write it over here. It's got sugars. It's got CO2, carbon dioxide. It's got water. It's got coloring, caramel coloring. And so what's interesting about Dr. Pepper and a lot of solutions is that you have solids, you have gases, you have liquids, right? And then you have aqueous. And so you have all of these things involved in this solution. Remember, a solution is two or more substances joined in a homogeneous mixture. So these are kind of everyday living, the blood, what we drink, Gatorade, what goes on inside of our stomach, our Dr. Peppers, our teas. These are solutions, and we usually think of liquids, right? Liquids. But we see the gases are involved here as well. Another solution, which involves solids, specifically, and the sugar was a solid in the other one, but this is one we know specifically, and that's going to be salt water. So salt water, let's look at that. So you have inside of this one, you have let's say you have, oh, hello. Say you have Na, and then you have Cl, which is going to be your salt right here that's being poured in. And then you have H2O. You have water. And so this NaCl is going to be solid, and this water is going to be a liquid, right? Solid and liquid. And so you have two or more, I know I'm redundant, two or more substances joined together in a homogeneous mixture. So these are some everyday solutions. And so what we should have learned is that, number one, most chemical reactions that we see or that we experience, most chemical reactions happen let's say in solution. And then number two, what you should have learned is that chemical reactions or solutions are made up of two or more substances that are joined in a homogeneous mixture. So these are, this is what a solution is and what it looks like. So this is what you should have learned. In our next video, we're going to talk about what makes up a solution.